In today's video, I will walk you through how to navigate the Stripe dashboard. After signing into Stripe, you'll arrive on the home page. This is the main dashboard where you can view a snapshot of your account. On this page, you'll see information such as recent payments, your balance, and any notifications that may require attention, including pending verification requests or disputes. Next, look to the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu. The menu contains several sections that help you move around the dashboard and access different areas of your account. One of the key sections is Payments. Click on Payments to view all transactions associated with your account. Once you're in the Payments section, you can review transaction activity and use the available filters to narrow the results. You can filter transactions by status, date, or customer. Another important section in the navigation menu is Customers. Click on Customers to access customer profiles. This section contains information for people who have made payments to your account. Select any customer profile to view additional details. Inside a customer profile, you can review payment history, subscriptions, and invoices connected to that customer. Continue down the navigation menu until you reach Reports and Analytics. Click on this section to view information about your earnings over time. This area also provides the option to export data. When you need to access account-related settings, move to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on your business name. This will open the Account Settings area. Within Account Settings, you can update your business profile information, manage team members who have access to the account, and change payout information. As you move through the dashboard, use the navigation menu on the left to switch between sections and review the information available in each area. The home page provides an overview of account activity. Payments allows you to review transactions. Customers gives access to customer profiles and records. Reports and Analytics contains earnings information and export options. And account settings can be accessed through your business name in the top right corner. Those are the main areas you'll use when navigating the Stripe dashboard. By moving through these sections, you'll be able to locate account information, review customer activity, check transactions, access reports, and manage account settings directly from the dashboard. And that's how to navigate the Stripe dashboard. Thank you for watching.